Holy shit, this fucking package took way too long for this. But I finally have it. Ta-da! Holy shit. I mean, I'm telling you, this package took way too long for this shit. Let's get into it already. I swear to fucking God, this is fucking fake. I'm not trusting fucking Amazon no more. Fuck that guy. So I got nothing sharp in here, so I just got a pencil. Holy fuck, it looks. Ah shit. Okay, I got this. Scissors. Okay, I'll be back. Okay. Shit. Okay, hold on. Alright, I got it open. Oh shit, my foot. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Ah shit. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude. Oh. Holy shit. Oh. The boy. A little snip. A little snip. And there we go. Oh my god, he is a fucking beast. Holy shit. Oh, I never had one before, but holy fuck, he's a beast. Oh my fucking god. The spikes, dude. Holy shit. Oh my god, the tag and everything. This is badass. I am like really fucking happy for this. Like holy shit, he's a fucking beast. Wow. All right, we got Bowser now. So let's comparison with Mario. Yep. All right, let's do it. Oh no. All right, here's Mario. He's pretty much the same size as Bowser. I don't know why. If he's standing, if he's sitting, yeah, he's pretty short. Oh shit! Don't fuck. Okay, put him on my sharpener, and here he is, Mario and Bowser. So yeah, I put my Bowser minions with him. So yeah, here are the minions for Bowser. Koopa, a Chain Chomp, a Goomba, and Boo. Alright, like to get it, they're like really fucking cool. Like holy shit. I do got like one more Bowser minion. He's like a Mecha Koopa, I think his name is. Yeah, I only got him left, so yeah, he's still coming. Yeah. And yeah, that's all my that's my Bowser unboxing. Woo! I don't got nothing good to say in here. Okay, bye.